Write it down. And be meditating on it every day. Whosoever have wonders without praying, write it down. Think about it every day. Whosoever that has wonders and fail to pray, such a person will perish on earth. If you fail to pray, wonders can be performed on earth. Whoever write it down, that has wonders and fail to pray, he will perish on earth. Because wonder lives on earth without praying. Wonders lives on earth. The only thing the world wants to do is to turn a wondrous fellow to a criminal. That is the plan of the world. Yes. Some people pray. They perform their wonders. And some, they were watching. They were contemplating. When they couldn't perform their wonders. If you don't perform wonders, you will mourn. They hang you want the first to perform their wonders. Those idols can sing the song of your town. They couldn't perform their wonders. If you first perform it, they will turn a wondrous fellow to a criminal. There is no wonders to perform in heaven. You are going there to see the wonders of Jesus. I want to be the house. I want to buy a car. I want to prosper. I want to have somebody. I want to be lifted. I want to become governor. I want to become president. All these things can be done next. They pray on next. We are praying because of wonders. When we get to heaven, no wonders over there. We don't have to pray. We just have to give thanks. The wonders of Jesus in heaven. We want to go and see it and receive our passion. That's all. They turn into criminals. That's what would have failed. See how they stone brothers in the room of wonders. If you don't become wonder, you'll be delusional. Authority locate you. Everybody wants to kill you with your wonders. And sorrow. They lost they want to waste a lifetime. I will say to you this morning, they are lost. They better continue your time of wonders. That says you will achieve your goals on earth. I announce it to you. He's not from parabolating. That's my Israel, they were not stagnant. They worked for 40 years. But they were parabolating like this. They were parabolating
for 40 years.
For 40 years. But delay. Yes, sir. The luck is. The luck is.
Oh, worse, sir.
It is worse.
He's not
stagnant like this.
If
he stands still
4 hours.
For 4 hours. I want to raise his life. It will be difficult. If they go to prayer, if they sing his second for 5 hours, he won't feel it. Because he's raising his life. But he's always stand still. He will confidence in himself. He's always stand still. What is good at? He won't be able to do it. He'll be doubting himself. He's always stand still. He does not say. He's always stand still. Yóò tó fẹ́ máa bú yẹn pé ìwọ tó mọ̀. The person who showed the way we abuse you. Nǹkan tó sì dá yẹn dúró. What delays you will give you to give praise. Ẹ̀rọ báyìí lọ́lúwa sọ. Just say the word. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ayé dádúró láti January. Meeting of delays in January. Ibi ayé dádúró. We are not going to be delayed. Come on. There is setback. There is throwaway. That's why I must call Jesus. Some arose against disciples in the boat, but they called Jesus. They call Jesus. Why they call Jesus? It is written. This is my prayer. In whom I will please. They didn't want to listen to him. That hearing. They want to make a transfiguration. For them to listen to him. He prayed on the Mount of Transfiguration. Matthew 7:17. That's why. Ó ti dìbò wọn wo nǹkan láti inú sánmọ̀ jáde ó wí pé èyí ni àyànfẹ́ ọmọ mi ẹni tí inú mi dùn sí gidigidi ẹgbọ́n tiẹ̀. Hear him, listen to him. Àti ọ̀tọ̀ ni kéèyàn ọ̀dọ́dọ̀ olóore ọ̀tọ̀ ní tẹ́lẹ̀ pàtó. It is still for them to listen to you. Wo olóore máa gbọ́ tiẹ̀ lọ́sọ̀rọ̀. That doctor, they didn't write. Hear him. When they go to the mountain, why is it that they didn't want to listen to me? A voice came out. Listen to him. Hear him. I decree it become a sin, a covenant. This week, better listen to you. I call upon Jesus of Nazareth. And because when you want to throw away your love of glory, Jesus of Nazareth, you must call upon Jesus. Because of storm arose against disciples. Wisdom will fail. There is no amount of action. You don't sell property to pay debt. If you are going down to 1 million, 400, they will pay 400 to start with. They will pay it in drips and drafts. You can sell for house because of that. They don't know how it swallowed them. It's a storm. It comes. You have to pay the Lord. You call upon him. Wisdom arose. Peter saw what he had. He was fighting waters. He wanted to be Jesus. He didn't care. I wanted to call upon him. He didn't call me. Okay, when the son of Lazarus was sick, why didn't tell them to tell Lazarus to eat? I send authority to you. In the name of Jesus. Oh yes, Lord. In this week that you are, Jesus of Nazareth, he will save you. Every power that want to throw away a lot of glory. Every power that want to scatter a lot of glory. That is why you must appear in the presence of Jesus. Oh, good Father, and what do Jesus? Nobody fell of God, but he didn't appear in his presence. Because of that, the Lord is sending me. The day of him, enemy was there. The devil came to a place of prayer. He attended morning prayer. And he said he went to and fro. The devil didn't miss morning prayer. Don't miss it. The devil didn't miss morning prayer. He shall not miss prayer. He did have a job. Now what? Lift up your hands. Torí kì í gbàdúrà.
He wasn't the kind of prayer. He didn't appear in God's presence in the morning. But he didn't appear in God's presence. God was asking from his enemy. At this stage, what's stopping from praying morning and night? It's to give you bad dreams. Have you ever control your day? Have you ever speak to your week? Have you ever commanded the month? Have you spoken to the sun? This is your position. I speak to this week. Look at them and say, the God of hosts. I speak to this week. In the name of the Lord. God of hosts. I speak to this week. In the name of the Lord. The God of hosts. I speak to this week. In the name of the Lord. The God of hosts. I speak to this week. Oh, in the name of the Lord.